Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the WPS Office app. If you're looking for an all-in-one Office suite that lets you create and edit documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF files on your smartphone, you've probably heard of WPS Office. But is it really worth using? Let's find out. WPS Office is a productivity app that combines a word processor, spreadsheet editor, presentation maker, and PDF tools into a single application. Instead of downloading separate apps for different file types, WPS Office gives you everything in one place. It's available for both Android and iPhone, making it a convenient option for students, professionals, and anyone who needs to work with Office documents while on the go. One of the biggest strengths of WPS Office is its support for multiple file formats. It works with Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files, along with PDFs and several other document types. This makes it easy to open, edit, and share files without worrying about compatibility issues. The app also includes templates for resumes, reports, presentations, and spreadsheets, helping you save time when creating new documents. Another useful feature is its built-in PDF tools. Depending on your plan, you can read, annotate, merge, split, compress, and even convert PDF files. The app also supports cloud storage integration, allowing you to sync documents across multiple devices and access your files whenever you need them. The interface is clean and easy to navigate despite offering a large number of features. You can switch between documents quickly, edit files smoothly, and collaborate by sharing documents with others. For most everyday Office tasks, the app performs reliably and provides a user-friendly experience. However, there are a few drawbacks. The free version contains advertisements and some advanced features such as premium PDF editing, file conversion, and certain templates require a paid subscription. Some users may also find the number of available tools slightly overwhelming at first. Additionally, while compatibility with Microsoft Office files is generally good, very complex documents may occasionally display minor formatting differences. Overall, WPS Office is an excellent all-in-one productivity app that offers a great balance of features, compatibility, and convenience. If you frequently work with Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and PDFs on your mobile device, it's definitely worth trying. The free version is suitable for basic tasks, while the premium subscription offers additional tools for users with more advanced needs. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Features, pricing, and availability may change with future updates or vary depending on your device and subscription plan. Always review the latest subscription details before purchasing premium features. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more honest app reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.